In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group by week in an Excel pivot table. To start, make sure you already have a data table set up in Excel that includes at least one column with dates, along with the values you want to analyze, like sales, hours, or quantities. It's important that your dates are real Excel dates, not text. If you can change the cell format to a date, and it looks correct, you're good. If not, you may need to clean or re-enter those dates before moving on. Next, click anywhere inside your data range. This tells Excel what information you want to summarize. Then, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and choose Pivot Table. In the dialog box that appears, confirm that the table or range is correct and decide whether you want the pivot table on a new worksheet or in the existing one. New worksheet is usually easier to work with, so select that and click OK. You'll now see a blank pivot table on the left and the pivot table fields pane on the right. In that field list, find your date column and drag it into the rows area. Drag the value you want to summarize, such as sales or amount, into the values area. At this stage, your pivot table is summarizing by individual date, which is often more detailed than you need. To group these dates by week, click on any of the dates within the pivot table. Then, right-click and choose Group. A grouping dialog box will appear. Here you'll see options like days, months, quarters, and years. Make sure days is selected, and in the number of days box, type 7. This tells Excel to create 7-day groups, which effectively becomes weekly groupings. Then click OK. Your pivot table will now reorganize so that each row represents a weekly period instead of a single day. The dates shown will be the start of each 7-day group. If you prefer, you can adjust how these dates display by right-clicking a grouped date, choosing Format Cells, and picking a shorter or clearer date format. From here, you can refine your analysis. You might drag another field, like Product or Region, into the Columns or Filters area to break down your weekly totals further. If your source data changes, just right-click anywhere in the pivot table and choose Refresh to update the weekly summaries. And that's how you group by week in an Excel pivot table, turning daily data into clear weekly insights.